In this particular video, we're trying to find the equation of a circle. Again, we're going to assume that the center is at the origin, but this time we're given a point that lives on the actual circle itself. So we don't have the radius, so that's something we're going to have to take care of before we do anything else. So since we're assuming that the circle has a center at 0, 0, we're going to use the rule x squared plus y squared equals r squared. For each of these problems that we're about to do, this point that we're given lives on the circle. So, for instance, in the first one, this is my x, this is my y. I do not have the radius yet, so before I can write the equation of a circle, I must have the radius. So that's what I need to find first. To find it, what I'm going to do is everywhere I see an x, I'm going to plug in. Everywhere I see a y, I'm going to plug in. And I'm going to solve for what my radius is. All I'm going to need to find, though, is r squared. So keep that in mind. So I have 0 squared plus negative 10 squared equals r squared. Well, 0 squared is 0 plus negative 10 squared. If you do it correctly in your calculator, that means you're going to include the parentheses. It's going to be positive 100. So what this means is r squared equals 100, and now that we have that information, the equation of this circle is going to be x squared plus y squared equals 100. Not too bad. Let's do it again. Again, I'm given a point, x, comma, y, that lives on the circle. I do not have the radius of this particular circle, so I need to find that first. So what I'm going to do is plug in for x, plug in for y into my rule. Then I'm going to solve for r squared. Once I have r squared, then I'm going to be able to write the equation of the circle. So let's get started. So negative 6 squared plus 4 squared equals r squared. Want to clean this up as much as possible, use your calculator if needed. Negative 6 squared is positive 36, plus 4 squared is 16, and that's equal to r squared. 36 plus 16, let's see, let's use calculator. I believe that's 52, but better to be safe than sorry. So 36 plus 16 is 52. So r squared equals 52. And now that I know what r squared is, I can finally write the equation of my circle. So x squared plus y squared equals 52. Okay? So if you're given a point on the circle, it's just a little bit more work. You have to find the radius squared first. Once you have that, you're able to write the equation of the circle, no problem. Let me know if you have any questions.